Hi, I'm Keith with Solutions Pest and Lawn. In this video, we'll talk about this product. We're going to cover what it is, what it's used for, drawbacks, how to get started, and where and when to apply. Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.
Stuf-Fit Copper Mesh is a flexible, woven copper material used to exclude rodents, birds, and other pests from invading structures on your property. When used properly, this material serves as a physical barrier that can stop even rats from passing through any vulnerabilities in your home's perimeter. The copper mesh itself is water-resistant, heat-tolerant, and antimicrobial. Stuf-Fit Copper Mesh provides only a physical barrier. In order to gain full control of any pest problem, you will always need additional products like traps, baits, or other pesticides. If you're dealing with rodents like Norway rats or house mice, we recommend you set out some eradication rodent bait set in a rat and mouse bait station. By using baits, you can eliminate your rodent infestation without directly handling them. Just set the eradication into the station, close the station, and set up your bait station along your exterior perimeter or fence. Rodents will be attracted to the eradication scent, consume the bait inside the station, and will die in the field within 5 to 7 days. It may take up to 2 weeks to see a noticeable reduction in rodent activity. If you're more concerned about small, home-invading insects, then we recommend you apply a pesticide that will leave a long-lasting residual barrier, like Reclaim IT. Reclaim IT is a bifenthrin-based liquid insecticide concentrate that works to control many invasive pests, like cockroaches, stink bugs, and Asian lady beetles. Simply mix it in a sprayer according to labeled directions and apply it as a perimeter treatment around your home structure. First, spray any entry points around the outside of your home, like doors, windows, vent openings, and other voids in the wall. Once you've treated entry points, conduct a perimeter treatment around your structure. Start at one point and continue to treat along the outside by going 3 feet up the structure and 3 feet out. Avoid overlapping this application with your prior treatments. When done properly, Reclaim IT will leave a residual that will control pests for up to 3 months. Before using the copper mesh or any other pest control product, be sure to put on the necessary personal protective equipment or PPE, especially gloves. By wearing gloves, you'll avoid leaving your human scent on any of the products. Rodents and other pests can easily pick up the scent and be scared off, which will be detrimental to your pest control strategy. Additionally, be sure to have scissors or some other cutting tool prepared before you're ready to begin. First, locate all spaces or voids that will need to be filled. These can be weep holes, areas around plumbing, and other possible points of entry for pests. Keep in mind that rodents can squeeze through many tight spaces. Rats can fit in holes the size of a quarter, while mice can fit through holes the size of a dime. Use your cutting tool to snip the amount of copper mesh you'll need for an opening. Be sure to cut the copper mesh over a trash can, as copper fibers may drop and contaminate sensitive areas. Once you have your piece cut out, work it into the opening to create a barrier that pests will not be able to get through. You don't have to completely fill the void, just use enough to block out pests. Stuf-Fit Copper Mesh Exclusion is softer than stainless steel and is resistant to corrosion and rust from various elements, so you'll find it easy to work with. When used properly, pests like rodents or insects will be unable to invade your home or structure. For added protection, or for particularly larger gaps, you may want to consider using an expanding foam or other sealants to hold the mesh in place.
Solutions Pest and Lawn is a small family-owned business that relies on people like you to succeed. Our goal is to teach you how to treat your pest problems. If you have any questions after watching this video, please email, call, or visit one of our stores and we can help you out.